As Romoland School District schools prepare to return to in-person instruction for the 2021-2022 school year, we are implementing updated safety protocols to keep students and staff safe while on campus. When we welcome students back to campus this fall, each school site will continue to minimize access to campus by limiting non-essential visitors, facility use permits, and volunteers. Any campus visitors must wear a mask when inside school buildings. Help us prevent the spread of COVID-19 in our school community. Screen your student before school each day and do not send your student to school if they are experiencing any of the following symptoms: fever of 100 degrees or higher, persistent cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, loss of taste or smell, headache, sore throat, muscle or body aches, fatigue, vomiting, nausea, diarrhea or abdominal pain, runny nose, congestion, itchy or red eyes, or chills. Protecting the health, safety, and well-being of our school community is of the utmost importance as we return to full in-person learning. All students are required to wear face coverings while indoors at school. Masks are optional outdoors. Cloth masks should be washed regularly. It is important to always remove masks correctly and wash your hands after handling or touching a used mask. Disposable face coverings, such as surgical masks, should not be used more than once. You can include your mask with your regular laundry in a washing machine. Use regular laundry detergent and the warmest appropriate water setting for the cloth used to make the mask. Cloth masks can also be washed by hand. Soak the mask in a bleach solution intended for disinfection for 5 minutes. Discard the bleach solution down the drain and rinse the mask thoroughly with cool or room temperature water. Make sure to completely dry the mask after washing. While on campus, it is important for students and staff to wash hands frequently and use proper hand washing techniques. Follow these 5 steps every time you wash your hands. Wet your hands with clean, running water. Lather your hands with soap, including the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Rinse your hands well under clean, running water. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. The virus that causes COVID-19 spreads mainly from person to person, typically through respiratory droplets from coughing, sneezing, or talking. Students and staff on campus will utilize proper cough and sneeze etiquette throughout the school day. When you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth with your forearm or a tissue. Wash your hands after coughing or sneezing. There will be daily cleaning of high-touch surfaces. We maximize the quantity of outside air for our buildings with mechanical and natural ventilation systems by using air filters with a minimum efficiency reporting value of at least 13, opening doors and windows, circulating fresh air through our HVAC systems even when the air conditioning or heat are not engaged. Students who display symptoms after reporting to school are required to wait in the wellness room while on campus to wait for parent-guardian pickup. Student privacy and confidentiality will be maintained at all times. Students who display symptoms may return to school when the following criteria have been met. At least 24 hours have passed since the resolution of fever without the use of fever-reducing medications, and other symptoms have improved, and they have a negative test for SARS-CoV-2, or a healthcare provider has provided documentation that the symptoms are typical of their underlying chronic condition, or a healthcare provider has confirmed an alternative named diagnosis, or at least 10 days have passed since symptom onset. The district provides voluntary COVID-19 testing for staff and students who have symptoms or have had possible exposure. Romoland School District reports currently known and cumulative COVID-19 cases among students and staff while maintaining confidentiality on our district dashboard. Stay up to date with the latest news and information from Romoland School District by visiting our website, romoland.net, and following us on social media at RomolandSD.